Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next and last topic of the journal. Today I will tell you how to pass the compound entries, you may say like combined entries, and the specific entries means adjusting entries and the opening entries. So first, how to pass the combined entry. Like the first transaction has been given, a sale of rupees 5,000 is made to Satish. When the sale has been done to the Satish with the 5,000, you have to write the sales with the 5,000 and he paid out of this only 2,000 in cash. So the person is getting the money, businessman is getting the money 2,000. So the cash will be entertained with the 2,000. If it is received by bank on the same day, check and deposit into bank, then you may write down bank account in front of 2,000. And the balance later onward is referring to the on credit. When it is on credit, money is not coming. So that's why we have to put the name of the Satish account. So what is the journal entries now? Sale has been made for the 5,000. Money is coming 2,000 and the credit transaction is rest of 3,000. So the first cash will be debited or the bank will be debited with the 2,000 and the Satish account will be debited with the 3,000 and the sale will be credited with the 5,000. So it means this entry is a combined of the two entry. First entry is a sale of 2,000 made to Satish and the second is sale on credit made to Satish with the 3,000. So the two transactions are there. That's why this is referring to the transactions related with two transactions are there. One is cash and second is credit. That's why it is consisting with the combined entry of the two transactions. So that's why the number of accounts are more. Two accounts are listed in the debit side and the one account is listed on the credit, but the total of the both side always remains same. Next transaction is referring to rent paid. This is the one transaction. Commission paid. This is the second transaction. And now you have to club when the date is same. Then you may club the both item. The rent account will be debited with the amount of 300 as the rent has been given for the 300 expense. And the commission will be debited because it is also paid with the expense name 200. So the total money is going out with the amount of 500. By mistake has been written 3,000, you may write down here 500. So this is the printing error and now the entry is rent account debited with the 3,000 and the commission account debit with the 200 and two bank account with the 500. And now I am moving to the next entry, some specific entries, that means me the adjusting entry also. The first is Mohan owed 20,000 and become insolvent. So it means Mohan has to give to the business 20,000 but declared as insolvent and he is paying only the 50 paise in a rupee. When it is in a rupee, it may leads to the 50%. And then the final pay for the final payment. It means we have to settle here the Mohan account. So in place of the Mohan account, we have to write down 20,000 because this amount is receivable, he has to give. So the cash is coming only 50%, that is 10,000. So cash is coming means cash debited as a asset. And the Mohan liability is to pay 20,000. But now the difference is leaving that 50%, which is irrecoverable amount called as bad debts. So that's why it is to be debited with the name of loss bad debts. Bad debts means the amount is irrecoverable. So the entry is referring to in front of the Mohan, you have to put the full value like 20,000 and then the money received will be entertained. The difference is leading irrecoverable. If the irrecoverable is given, the rest amount will be called as cash when account is close related to the one particular customer or maybe the Mohan account. Now the cash received rupees 5,000 for the bad debts written off last year. This question is in the conditions number 1 as the bad debt is written 10,000. Suppose I am taking the same condition. Now the money has been received 5,000 out of that. So how will you pass the entries now? Money again is coming. which is already written off with the name of the bad debts. Now cash account will be debited, and the bad debt is minimizing the loss. Now you may write down here the bad debts recovered. It means the loss is minimizing. When the loss is minimizing, it will be credited with the name of loss called as bad debts. Bad debts recovered also. So the money is coming, asset is coming, 5,000, and the expenses and the loss is minimizing. That's why bad debt is on the credit side with the amount of 5,000. The next is the, if the depreciations charge on the furniture cost is the 5,000. So you have to, our entry is related with the depreciation on furnitures. The goods, furniture is already purchased. So the first of all, you have to see the value of the furnitures now. It is listed here 5,000. Apply the rate, it will be 500. Now the question is the value of depreciation is reducing with the 500. So the furniture is asset, it will go to the credit side to furniture account, and this loss is to be shifting to depreciation because the reason is to depreciate. So this is to be shifted to the loss which name is depreciation. So the depreciation is a loss against the asset, and to the furniture is means minimizing the asset value. So in case of any other asset is there, depreciations to machinery, depreciations to typing, any other asset, fixed asset except then land. Land don't have the depreciations, but the building consists with the depreciation. So any entry you have to write down with the name of depreciation on a particular asset and to the name of the particular asset by applying the rate. Now I am moving to the entries of the some specific transactions related with the first. Now the cash withdrawn for the personal use. When the cash withdrawn for the personal use, the drawings to cash account will be used. It is a original entry. But when the drawing goods has been drawn, next transaction like fifth number, goods drawn for the personal use, then the drawings to purchase. This entry is called as adjusting entry, means the specific entries, and the first entry drawings to cash is the original entry, first time taking the place in the books now. So that's why the this is all the part of related with when the items has been introduced first. If you are making the adjustment, that entry is to be called as specific entries. Now the next is the goods has been given as charity, then charity means donation, then charity account debit as a loss, and the two goods word is referring to purchase is to be credited because it is reducing the stock. We are writing here with the name of purchase and sale, but you can't write here sale. We have to write down charity account debit to purchase is reducing and shifting these reductions to the charity as loss. In the same way, distribution of free sample is there, it is called as advertisement. So if the goods is given, again it is a loss, purchase will be credited and the advertisement will be debited. So you have to understand when any item has to be withdrawn from the goods already you have to credit the purchase. Now next is the entries of some other transactions like the salary due to the staff. When the salary due means salary payable. When the salary is there, due word is there means payable word is there. We are not giving the weightage to staff. It is payables to the staff. That is the specification. But question is any expense due, any expense payable. So when it is expense is there, it will increase the expense value like salary account debit with the 25,000, and when it is payable word is referring to due word is referring to liabilities, and the liabilities increasing will place on the credit side to outstanding salary. So the entry for the any kind of expense account debit to outstanding expense account. Here the salary word is given, so that's why you have to write down salary account debit to the outstanding salary. Now next is the out of the rent paid. If the rent has been already given, but out of that only 2,000 related with the next year, it is called as advance. So how will you pass? The rent will be reduced. When the rent will be reduced, it means the expense items will be reduced, and this amount will be shifted to the prepaid expense, not to the rent. So the entry will be prepaid rent account debit to rent account. So normally if any expense is paid in advance, the entry will be prepaid expense account debit to expense account. You may write down the name of expense, here we have listed rent account. So prepaid word means paid in advance. The next entry is commission received in as advance. If commission received in advance, the commission is revenue. When it is advance, it will be reduced with the name of debit, commission received. And now it will be shifted to the advance called as unearned commission. So entry is commission shift to unearned commissions. That's why commission is income is reducing and shifting to the advance commission income. So entry will be passed commission received account debit to unearned commissions. Now next one is if interest on investment is due but not received. When it is a income receivable. So word is referring to when the income is receivable. So that's why you have to put the income to the credit side first. Income is a part of revenue with the name of here. The interest on investment account is credited. But you have to shift this because it is not received now to the accrued interest. Accrued interest means interest receivable. So these are the entries which have to be listed here. For first two entries are listed with the expense, next two entries are listed with the income. So first entry is if any expense is due, then expense account debit to outstanding expense. If any advance of expense is there, then prepaid expense to expense account. If any income received in advance, then incomes to unearned income. And if any income is receivable, then accrued incomes to income. And now the opening entry is here. When a balance sheet prepare of the one accounting year, on that basis the one closing entry will be passed with the name of assets equivalents to L plus C. What is the accounting equations? That means all the assets will be debited at the end of the accounting period, and then to all the liabilities will be credited and to capital account will be credited. The total of the debit and credit should always remain same. But when you are forwarding this entry, this is called as closing entry of the one accounting year. When this entry is forwarding to the next year, it is called the opening entry. Before to start the next year, any recording, any journal entry, you have to pass the first opening entry. This opening entry is coming from the closing entry of the last year, showing the balance from the balance sheet. So you may have to check when the question is starting, some assets and liabilities are given. So you have to put all the assets into the debit side, like the name are given here for taking the example, cash, bank, debtors. Sometimes the debtors names are listed XYZ. You may have to write down with the name of XYZ. Stock, machinery, equipments, all these are suppose given in your question as different number of assets. And then two sundry creditors means the liability is also mentioned. Then write down the name of all the liabilities into the credit side with the name of two creditors names are there, ABC. Then you have to write down with the name of creditors ABC and list all the liabilities and the capital if given, it should be listed here. So the next aspect is you have to verify the total of the debit and credit. Sometimes the debit side is short, then the total of the debit side is short, it will be filled with the name of asset called as goodwill. So you have to fill on the debit side goodwill. But if the total of liability side is missed, then you have to in the class 11th only you have to fill with the name of capital. It means if the liability side is missing, you have the two words, one is liabilities and second is capital. If capital given, if the liability is even than less, you may give the name to the any particular liabilities. But in the class generally 11th related with the debit side is short, will fill with the goodwill account. If credit side is short, will fill with the capital account. So these are the entries which you have to understand now. So I think the matter is clear to you, and make the practice from your bag exercise. Thank you.